Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for Business Studies Grade 12 Paper 2. First, thoroughly understand the paper's structure and how marks are allocated across different sections. This insight helps you prioritize your study efforts effectively. Next, identify the key topics that frequently appear and their respective weighting. Finally, review several past papers to familiarize yourself with the types of questions asked, including those requiring application and analysis. To study effectively, begin by creating concise, detailed summaries for every topic. This active recall method reinforces your understanding. Then, utilize mind maps to visually link related concepts, which aids in holistic comprehension and memory retention. Crucially, practice writing essays and longer answers under timed conditions. This builds speed and improves your ability to structure arguments logically, ensuring you can complete the paper within the allotted time. Mastering application and analysis is vital for Paper 2. Practice applying your theoretical knowledge to various case studies and real-world business scenarios. This helps bridge the gap between theory and practical situations. Furthermore, learn to analyze business problems from multiple perspectives, considering different stakeholders and their impacts. Developing strong critical thinking skills will enable you to effectively solve complex problems and provide well-reasoned solutions in your answers. For optimal exam preparation, regularly revise all your content using active recall techniques such as flashcards or self-quizzing. Consider forming study groups to discuss challenging topics and clarify any uncertainties with peers. This collaborative learning can offer new insights. Finally, simulate actual exam conditions by completing full past papers within the time limit. This final practice helps manage exam pressure and refines your time management strategies for the actual assessment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.